Hi guys and welcome back. This is the first video of the van build series directly from Italy. Today is the first day I'm working on it, so we have to remove everything from inside, everything the previous owner left it. Let me show you. So as you can see, there is a lot of dirt, yes, but also those old paneling. I need to remove it and clean everything. Also there's a lot of silicone. I don't know why they use silicone, and rivet. Anyway, let's get started. So now I have a big pile of mess. I just discovered that behind the wall there was insulation, this type of insulation here. So maybe I can use it or not, I don't know now, because I plan to use polyiso for the ceiling and some part of the walls, and recycle PET wool for the rest. But now look how much silicone. It's easy to remove. I mean, yeah, I have to clean everything up, but luckily, look, it peel off really easy. So I guess they used the wrong type of glue or silicone, whatever it is, but luckily for me it's really easy to take it off, and there is virtually any left. Yeah, so
a few moments later.
okay, we are almost done with the cleaning. All the silicone is off. As you can see, all the silicone left is off now, and I also cleaned the sliding door, and it's left just those two panels on the back door, and yeah, those covers I need to remove it, and then we have to clean, because you know, after working it's cleaning. And meanwhile it started to rain. Damn it, sun and rain at the same time. Well, okay. So, oh no, I forgot something. The wooden panel were attached to the metal, not with screw but with rivets. So I need to cut all the rivets off. So, and then maybe it's finished, the cleaning process. Oh shit, no, it's not finished. There's the floor. Okay, well, one step at a time, right? Let's go. Okay, so all the rivets are out. Now the last thing I need to take off are those hooks here. So I think it's the last thing I need to take off. Look what I found. Nice. I'm rich. Okay. I think I'm done. Now cleaning time. So, as you can see, there is nothing left in the van. Everything is out. All the parts are removed. So, basically, after it's clean, I will remove the partition. So yeah. Okay guys, I think I call it a day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.